How to select all photos on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can select all photos on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to select all photos on iPhone, you can just try to open the Photos application here and just come to this library option here. When you come to library option, if you just zoom out and pinch out like this, you should be able to see a list of photos on your gallery. Now if you want to select all these photos at once, what you can do is simply actually first of all zoom out, and once you zoom out to a certain degree, let's say, what you want to do is you want to make sure to tap the select option here. Once you tap the select option, you just want to actually select like this, so which means you want to drag it like this, and now you want to simply hold it to the very top of the screen like this. Now let it just go on for a moment. Do not release your fingers. This will automatically select all of the photos in the process over here, and after you've done this, you should be able to go ahead and then find out and select all the photos that you wish. And so far this is the only way to do it, and this way you can select all photos on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.